Hi friends, this is Sarah. Welcome to Crafting and Relaxing, and thank you so much for joining me. Today I'm sharing the card that I made for this week's card challenge from Kristie Marcotte. If you're not familiar with Kristie Marcotte, she is Best Things in Life Are Pink on Instagram and Kristie Marcotte here on YouTube. She's doing a card challenge and it's hashtag Kristie's Card Challenge. And this week is Patriotic colors. To make a card in the colors of your country, wherever you're from. And those of you who watch my channel are probably pretty surprised that I didn't use stars. Stars and patriotic colors are so, I guess, obvious for me that I decided to try something a little bit different. So I used the floral paper, and then I looked around in my stash and there was this stamp, Nothing is So Beautiful as Spring, which I probably usually use with spring colors. Decided to use it. I have some blue mirror paper back here. That's the Tonic Cobalt Velour. This paper is a Pebbles paper from a year or two ago. And I have Winkostella, some stickles, and some glossy accents here on the flowers. I don't know if you can see the sparkle and dimension. And these do not look great on camera, but I assure you they look better in person. They are red glitter flowers. Then I have some white paper ones of unknown origin. And then these blue felt ones. These are Queen & Company, and they are one of my favorite embellishments. So I just layered them up, and some have jewels and some have pearls in the center. And I think it's a very simple card, but it was fun. I had fun making it, and I appreciate that Kristie keeps putting out these challenges. And you know that I love blue, so I thought I would just show you some other patriotic color cards that were already in my stash. I thought for a challenge, I wanted to make a new one, not just post one. This one is Life is Either a Daring Adventure or Nothing at All on a silver sparkly paper. And then, oh, this is also one of those little Queen & Company flowers and a bit of ribbon. That's a cute ribbon. I don't know if I have any more of that. And then just some layered up items. This one is a thank you card with white embossing, and I have washi tape and the branding strip, I think, from the paper, and a scallop that I cut out, and some jewels. I think this one might be my favorite. She believed she could, so she did. And again, mirror paper and some layers and some jewels. Really fun. And I like that stamp. And You Got This. That's from the same stamp set too. And some of that cute ribbon. I don't love how this card turned out, but you know, I like the idea of it. I'm not sure this is my favorite stamp ever. And I tried to fit it in a circle punch that was too small. Those are some other patriotic cards. If you want to play along with the challenge, just make a card and post it wherever you post with the hashtag Kristie's Card Challenge. And I'll put the hashtag down below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.